Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve SaaS customer retention, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding your customers is vital for SaaS success. Start by analyzing customer feedback to identify common issues. Leverage surveys and interviews to gather insights. Monitor customer support inquiries to detect recurring themes. Implement a customer journey mapping process to visualize touchpoints. Next, focus on onboarding experiences. Create a seamless onboarding process that educates new users. Use interactive tutorials and guided walkthroughs to enhance understanding. Set clear expectations during onboarding to reduce confusion. Track usage metrics to identify drop-off points. Follow up with new users to ensure they are finding value in your service. Regularly update your software to improve functionality. Communicate these updates clearly to your customers. A feature-packed software keeps users engaged and satisfied. Now, enhance your customer support. Offer multiple support channels such as chat, email, and phone. Ensure prompt responses to customer inquiries to increase their satisfaction. Implement a help center or knowledge base for self-service troubleshooting. Encourage proactive communication by reaching out to customers at key moments. Foster a strong community among users. Create forums or social media groups for customers to share experiences. Organize webinars or Q&A sessions to engage users and provide valuable information. Leverage customer success teams to build relationships. Assign dedicated resources to high-value accounts for personalized attention. Regularly review customer health scores to identify at-risk accounts. Establish a feedback loop with your customers. Solicit opinions on new features and improvements regularly. Use customer feedback to drive product development. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.